Thawal District ki Khongjom Bazar da leiba Southern Youth Incentive Association na sinduna handak haidokiba Bosemgi High School Living Certificate Examination amasung Kosemgi Higher Secondary Examination singda Khongjom Circle gi manungda leiba thoidok hendok na mai paklaklaba mahairoi singda 22nd Felicitation gi thauram pangthoktuna Second CH Tomba and Amubi Memorial Award sing yentoktuna pukning thogatkhre Loinana MPSC gi exam da Khongjom Circle da gi mai paklaklaba singbusu oktuna pukning thogatkhi Khongjom Bazar Community Hall da pangthokiba mahairoi sing pukning thogatpagi thauramadu Manipur Lenga ki Health Services ki thabak tagi potharaba Director Dr. CH Chandramani Singh Family Welfare ki thabak tagi potharaba Director Dr. CH Bilasini Devi thabak tagi potharaba Selection Grade Librarian H Jugindro Singh AG Manipur ki thabak tagi potharaba Senior Auditor CH Ito Singh Election Department ki thabak tagi potharaba Storekeeper CH Birachandra Singh Meghalaya Lenga ki thabak tagi potharaba Junior Engineer M Tombi Singh DIPR Manipur ki thabak tagi potharaba Deputy Director S Deven Singh Industry Department ki thabak tagi potharaba Executive Officer CH Chandramani Singh Supervisor K Dhananjoy Singh Director of Settlement Manipur ki thabak tagi potharaba Head Draftsman S Luke Singh Government Polytechnic College ki thabak tagi potharaba Senior Lecturer S Tampha Manipur University ki Anthropology Department ki Professor Dr. S Diban Kumar Singh amasung Southern Youth Incentive Association ki President thabak tagi potharaba Headmaster L Syamo Singh na President Member Singh oina sarukya ki Incentive Award sing asi kumza English singani kunmari da Khongjom Circle ki manung da leiba Khul Singh Langathel Fundrei Samaram Sibanagar Khongjom Chingtham Sapam Tekcham Papal amasung Langthabal Khunau gi Bosemgi CGPA 9.0 dagi 9.5 faubada mai paklaklaba mahairoi singda pibani Aduga Kosemgi Higher Secondary Examination da Science, Commerce amasung Arts stream singda position laurakpa mahairoi singda kumza English singani kunmari dagi award piduna lakhi Adumak puchaliba chahi asidagi Health Services Manipur gi thabak tagi potharaba Director Dr. Chingtham Chandramani amasung imung manungna makhoigi laikhidraba ahal CH Tombi amasung CH Amubi Memorial Award haina pibani Thauramadu da Kosemgi exam da Manipur gi oina Science stream da 8 position takiba Newson Sapam 18 position takiba Puyam Bijes amasung 20 position takibi Sapam Roma Devi yauna mahairoi kunda aduga handak haidokiba MPSC gi MCS CCE 2022 da 8 position takibi Tekcham dagi Deepa Maibam 71 position takiba Samaram dagi Kundrakpam Kunjesor amasung 94 position takiba Tekcham dagi Haigruzam Prem Kumar Singh dasu Association gi maikai dagi Lengyan Citation Selamadi Achamba Khudol Singh piduna pukning thogatkhi